All right, so I was curious about something. I did the test with the Rebel with the ringless steps, but I have not tried it out on the Ridge Runner yet, and figured I'd give it a try since I'm out here and got everything semi set up. So let me jump up here. All right, cinch up my strap. Pick my tether up a little bit. All right, sorry about that. All right, yeah, wow, that definitely firms it up on the tree. All right, let's try the same thing. Let's come off the edge here. Yeah. Nothing. That ain't budging. Over here, same thing. Coming off the edge. And I'm about 240, so give you an idea what I'm looking at. That thing don't budge. All right, so hey, that's your Ridge Runner with the ring of steps. It works. All right, enjoy.